Hello everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most transformative technologies of our time, cloud computing. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just curious about tech, understanding cloud computing is crucial in today's digital age. So let's get started. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Instead of keeping files on a proprietary hard drive or local storage device, cloud storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and the software programs to run it. Moving to the cloud can seem daunting, but it offers several benefits. Cloud computing cuts out the high cost of hardware. You simply pay as you go and enjoy a subscription-based model that's kind to your cash flow. Access your data anywhere, anytime. This makes it easier for businesses to allow employees to work from home or for accessing personal data on the move. Different companies have different IT needs. A large enterprise of more than 1,000 employees won't have the same IT requirements as a startup. Using the cloud is a great solution because it enables enterprise-scale solutions for businesses of all sizes. Imagine a small business that no longer has to worry about creating data backups manually or running out of storage space. Thanks to cloud solutions like Google Drive or Microsoft Azure, they can focus more on their core business operations. Cloud computing works by storing data on remote servers where it can be maintained, managed, and backed up remotely. Various service providers use what's called data centers that can be located anywhere in the world to host these servers. To access data or programs from the cloud, all a user needs is an internet connection. This is how cloud computing provides a flexible and global way to access your data. So, whether you're running applications that share photos to millions of mobile users, or you're supporting the critical operations of your business, a cloud services platform provides rapid access to flexible and low-cost IT resources. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about how cloud computing can help you or your business, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.